What's up you guys, Jose here. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing a mystery box from Tuned in Tokyo. But before we get into the unboxing, I need you guys to subscribe down below and follow me on Instagram. Alright, let's get into the video. I'll show you a video of what the mystery box I got was. It's the holiday special one. Before even getting the mystery package, I was looking at the sweater and I'm so happy I got it. If you're debating whether to get the mystery package, I think you should. You get 3 t-shirts, 1 long sleeve, a sweater, a backpack, a lanyard, some stickers, and a little keychain accessory. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, follow me here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.